just as I said, I will be showing us some basic things you need to understand in building a page. Once you understand these basic things, you will be able to build different type of pages. Any type of page you want to build will not be limited to what I use as a sample. So what I will do, since I'm using Elementor, basically for my training we use Elementor, I will take us through some of the elements we have in Elementor. Now, just as we know, in the new fashion, we no longer have section, we have layout. And under layout, rather, we have container instead of section. So now, if I need another section here, which we used to call it before, but now is a container. All I need to do to create a container, let's say for now I want to create a container here, is to click this button. That's the first thing I want us to understand. Once you know this, the rest is about your reasoning or the type of page you want to achieve. So what do we need now? We simply come here. We simply don't come here and you click the plus button. Then if I need this container, I can simply move it in. You see now a container has been created automatically. So I have a container added. So this is a container. Now I can add any other thing I want to add inside the container. The beauty of container is that I have explained it several times, is lighter than section. Let's say we want to add another container. Before then, firelight item. Let's see, we want to put another container in it. This another container right inside. So now we have containers in containers. Just look at it now. You have the first container, then in it you now have another container. Now let's say now I duplicate this container. You have another container right inside of it. So you have two containers now. Now let me come back to this button, and here now I click another button. Here I can have containers, the structure of container that I like. You have this one is telling you your container have the direction pointing downward. That is the direction which you have here. Then this is telling you have a container that have two equal columns. Two equal columns. Then you have container that have two unequal columns. We have four equal columns, three columns, four columns, four. Anyhow, you select what you want. So let's take, for instance, I want to achieve this type. I already know that I want to have something here, then two different things here. I can use this type of container. Let's say, for instance, I want to put an image here. I want to put something here that is related, that is just single column. I can use that. Then this can achieve other things. Look at this page. Let's look at this container so that I will use it to explain things about container. You will see in this container we have a container. Can you see another container inside it? This is another container. When you move again, okay, we have two containers beside each other. So the first one is the main container, and then inside it we have containers. So let's check the setting of these main containers. is a box. You will see that if the row is horizontal, that is going horizontal. You will see that the stretch align is stretch. You can see if I come to this align, I change it, but the one used by default is stretch. So those are the things you need to know. So let's assume we want to do something like this now here. How will I do that? All I need to do is, let me get rid of this. Let me get this. Let me get this. This will definitely achieve what we have here. Look at it. You can see that I have inner container, another container here. Now, that is that for you. Can see? Now, let's go to the one hub. Can see you have the same. When you come here, this is 100% width. Please note something. You have a 100% width, and another beside it is also what? 100% width. Come to this one, you are having the width to be 50%. Can you see? So you will. I want to show you something that you cannot achieve. So you can see both now can achieve it. Both is 100. So we set that. We'll be able to set the container now right there. You can add as many as you want. So that is the first thing about container. So in the next video, I will be taking another concept inside Elementor. That means I will be taking another element. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.